Hi everyone, it's Rachel. I am from Mind Body Karma Life. I'm a integrative nutrition health coach. I'm also a certified tea specialist. I do also specialize in gut health. Today, I know we've been dealing with some new things that we're not used to dealing with, such as this whole quarantine thing, right? Not exactly the easiest situation to live with, and I know sometimes it gets a little bit difficult eating healthier things. So I know we want to go with easier, faster options. Sometimes that could be takeout, at this point it's curbside, or maybe delivery options, things like that. Or just looking for frozen options at the store and just microwaving those and going for that. Now, if you're looking for quick and easy, I know that I am, because I do work a lot right now, so it makes it a little bit more convenient. I have decided to opt for Daily Harvest. You can see that. So Daily Harvest is a great company that makes eating healthy super easy. Everything arrives to your door frozen. And you can get smoothies, you can get soups, you can get energy bites, you can get a whole bunch of different things that they offer, and all of which come in containers like this. The product will be organic. It is frozen at peak, and everything that you need is in there. So for example, today I'm gonna make, it is a smoothie. It's cold brew and almond. So the ingredients in here are banana, almond, coffee, cacao, coconut, Himalayan sea salt, and green coffee. So they will have recommendations on the back over here on what kind of liquids you might want to add to this. They suggest for this almond milk to give you a creamier option, which I totally agree. So the almond milk that I usually use is either the Trader Joe's almond, or I actually do like the one from Thrive Market. It's their actual brand as well. So all you want to do is take your cup. You want to just go ahead and pour it to the top. So again, easy peasy. I did literally just pop this right out of my freezer. I'm going to drop this into my Vitamix, which is right here. I do suggest a more powerful blender just because I've noticed that it does take a little bit more effort if you don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in there. So I've emptied the container and put that on here. It's gonna get a little loud for a minute, but what I can do actually is, I'm gonna go ahead and just do it. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Oh, might help if I turned it on, right? Little details. But I mean by you need a powerful blender because it is frozen. That's it. Okay, so I know you had to hear all the noises and stuff like that, but I just kind of wanted to prove a point that wasn't very long. Simple, just pop it open, put your almond milk in, pop it in your blender, hit the button. I've got a smoothie now. So the best way to do this, now if I do see some chunks in here, so I'll probably run it through one more time. I won't do this with you guys on here, but it does smell really good. Just pour it in. Right back into your cup here. And then you can put I'm not gonna put all of it back in because I'm gonna go ahead and reblend this again. But then you pop the lid back on, which has a hole for a straw. I would just, if you have one of those metal straws so you can constantly reuse them instead of like wasting, with plastic and stuff like that. You just pop it in there and start drinking. I'm gonna give this a shot. Wow, that's really good. I mean, the banana and the coffee is really strong in this. Of course, banana is the first ingredient and coffee is the third, so I guess it kind of makes sense. So again, super easy, super simple. They have a subscription service. You can edit how many containers you want to get a month or skip deliveries if you need to skip deliveries. I got a wide variety of things. Like I said, I got smoothies, I got soups. I got things that will work throughout the day, especially if I'm not sure when I'm going to be home or when I'm not going to be home. And I'm just too tired to want to make a full meal, and this just kind of hits the spot. So I hope all of this information came in handy to you, and I hope you're enjoying your quarantine the best you can.